Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth with beef cubes. First, gather your ingredients like beef cubes, aromatic vegetables, and your favorite seasonings. Next, brown the beef cubes thoroughly in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. This step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Once browned, add about 8 cups of water and any remaining ingredients to the pot. After adding all ingredients, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It's important not to boil it vigorously. As it simmers, you might see foam or impurities rise. Simply skim these off to ensure a clearer broth. Let the broth simmer for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours or even longer to extract maximum flavor from the beef cubes and vegetables. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve placed over a large bowl. Discard all the cooked solids, such as the beef cubes and vegetables, as their flavor has now been fully extracted. For an even clearer broth, you can strain it a second time through cheesecloth. After straining, allow your delicious beef broth to cool completely before storing it. This prevents condensation and helps maintain freshness. You can store the broth in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in freezer-safe containers or ice cube trays. Frozen broth will keep well for up to 3 months, ready for your next recipe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.